Believe in yourself. Why is it we don't believe in ourselves? That as soon as things get tough in our lives we start doubting ourselves, we start thinking that we might not make it, stressing, worrying, imagining things that will get it wrong within the future. We need to know, the human mind is that the most powerful tool we own. But it may be the foremost destructive, and we have to find out how to acquire control of the direction of our mind and our emotions. Your mind goes to produce you your greatest challenges in life, because it's so powerful. So, if you'll conquer your mind, you'll just about conquer the rest around you, literally. When writing the story of your life, ensure you hold the pen. Make sure not only that you simply hold the pen, but you write the script from your heart. Be brave when writing your script. It's your story and there aren't any limits to what you'll have, what you'll do or what you'll be. How bad does one want it? You have to prove it to yourself that you simply want it bad enough. It's gotta hurt you to not cotton on. And that's when you're visiting learn to overcome your mind. Your mind will not be able to say no, because your inner heart and mind are aligned, and now nothing can stop you. It's easy to be all positive and consistent when everything goes your way, but that's not life, that's not realistic. Are you visiting be one amongst the only a few to square up when things are tough, when everything goes against you? Will you be able to believe what's right, and what brings results to your life? That's when your character will shine. That's when your story are born. Your story is valuable. Your story of success. You can't build a story if you stop now. If you surrender. The world is filled with those who gave up. The world needs hope. We all do. The world needs you to square up, to fight through your challenging moments, to shine through the dark times, to love through the hate, and to be the difference in an indifferent world. To believe in yourself. Most people are bloated with ordinary thoughts and mindsets. They're so filled with average that they need no more appetite. But you have got to possess an appetite for extraordinary beyond what people do. Think beyond them. There will always be doubters, and other people below you, and other people trying to place you down in order that they can feel higher. But you gotta stay faithful yourself. Believe in your mind. Have some vision defect. Then sooner or later you may have your moment. Because anything is feasible if you simply believe. Feed your dreams. If you'll suffer through setbacks, through pain, get up with resilience once more, and again, and again. One day this world will tap you on the shoulder and say, "This is it, slow to shine." You can have, be and do anything you would like. You just need to believe what did you're thinking that of actually is a hobby and delivery and passion. Does one believe yourself? Allow us to know within the comments below.